Morning students, and welcome back. As we all were doing the chapter number 14, that is statistics. We have completed one topic of median, and I hope so that you all have completed your homework also. For today the topic will be remain same. It will be median only, but this time median will be given to us and we have to calculate the missing frequencies. As I have mentioned the topic here, missing frequencies in median. We have already calculated the missing frequencies in mean also and missing frequencies in mode also. First question can be asked by you that how will we able to know about that here we have to use the formula of median or we have to use the formula of mode or mean. So students, if given is median, like the median of the following data is 525, it means you have to use the formula of median only. Next thing is here two variables are missing, x and second one is y. So we have to calculate the two variables. Whenever they will ask you about the calculate the two variables, they always provide you the two informations. If they will not provide us the two information, we will not able to calculate the exact answers of the variables. So here they have given the two values. First value is of median and the second value is total frequency, means the total of this. There is a difference between one variable missing and two variable missing. If they will x is not given here, means they have given the value of y and we have to calculate x only. So at that time they never will give you the total, because if you are having the total of this row and only one is missing, then it can be easily calculated by just adding all the other number and subtract from the total. That's why in one variable missing question they will never provide you the total of the frequencies, but in the missing of two variables they always provide you the total of two frequencies. So here let's start the question. First of all, what is given here? Median. Median is 25. So we have to use the formula of median only. For using the formula of median, I already explained you that you have to use your 4 steps. First step is calculate n, that is sigma Fy. I is equals to 1 to n. No need to calculate because they have already given that it is 100. It is 100. But students, if we will total this, we can add this also. 5 plus 2 is 7. We know that x is a variable. It can't be added in x. It can be written as 7 plus x only. So first let me add the constant part only. 5 plus 2 7, then 12 19, then 17 that is 36, then 20 56, then 9 it is 65, then 7 72 and 4 it is 76. So 76 plus x plus y. 76 plus x plus y. But they have given that their total is 100. So it means this row is having two totals summation, that 76 plus x plus y and one is 100. So it means they both are equal. And what about n by 2? N by 2 is equal to 100 by 2. I can take sigma Fy, this number also or this number also, because they both are equal. But for my calculation, I will take the easiest one. And the easiest one is 100. So what I have written here 100. 100 upon 2 is 50. So the value of my n by 2 is 50. Now third step is calculate the CF. How will you calculate the CF? We all know that CF means cumulative frequency. You all have to add the numbers in one by one. 2, then 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus x, 7 plus x. 7 plus 12, that is 19 plus x. 19 plus 17, that is, when you will add it will be 36 plus x. Now 36 plus 20 is 56 plus x. Then 56 plus x plus y. Because y is also a variable. We can't add in the constant number as well as we can't add in the x. So we will write just in the expression form. Now 56 plus 9. 56 plus 9 is, when you will add it, it will be 65. So it is 65 plus x plus y. Now 65 plus 7 plus x plus y will be 72 plus x plus y. And the last will be 76 plus x plus y. Both the totals are same. It means we are doing correctly. So CF we have already calculated CF. Now we have to search the median class. The most important point about the median class. See students, if the median is not given, then we have to calculate the median class by the CF. The number that is just greater than n by 2, and n by 2 is 50. So can you tell me which number is just greater than 50? Just greater than 50, no, this number is not greater, no, this number is not greater. But we can't say about this because we don't know the value of x. If x will be 50, then it will be 57. Then this will be the first number that is greater than 50. But if x is 10, then it will be only 17. Then it is not greater than 50. So here that formula will not work. This formula will not work, that the number that is just greater than 50. Why we are taking so much of tension regarding the median class? I already told you the answer of the median will always come from the interval only. They have given the median as 525. So what you have to write here as median is equals to 525. Why median is equals to 525? Because it is given. Because it is given. So now check in which class interval it will lie. 0 to 100, no, it will lie between 500 to 600. 500 to 600. So this will be the median class. This implies median class is equals to 500 to 600. So students, whenever they will already given you the median, at that time you just see the interval, that in which interval this value will lie, will be the median class only. So we are having two methods to calculate the median class. First method is when we have to calculate the median. So we will see the number that is just greater than n by 2. But if we are having median that is given in the question, so just see that in which interval the value will lie, that will be our median class. So here what we will do, we will just highlight this median class. We will hide this median class. So we will highlight this median class. We will just circle this class. This will be the median class. So our median class is 500 to 600. After getting median class, we can easily calculate L. L is 500. H is equals to difference between the limits, that is 100. H is equals to 100. F is equals to the respective frequency in the median class. So the respective frequency is 20. And CF, I already told you, this one is the most important point. CF is the previous one. So it is 36 plus x. It is 36 plus x. We are having all the values. Now we can put the values here. Before that, you just tell me what is the sum of this number. It is 76 plus x plus y. But what is the sum they have given in the question? It is 100. Therefore, sigma F5 is equal to 100. It is given. But sigma F5 is 76 plus x plus y, that is 100. It means x plus y is equal to 100 minus 76 is equals to 24. It means we are having one equation here. X plus y is equal to 24. Name it as equation number 1. We are having one relation here in x and y. That x plus y is equals to 24. It means if we be able to solve the equation for any variable x or y, then we can put the value of that variable and can calculate the second variable. So let me use the formula of median. What is the formula of median? That you have already done in the last class. L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F, and the whole will be multiplied by H. And let me put the values. This time all the values are given. In fact, median is also given. What is the value of median? Median is 525. 525 is equals to L. What is the value of L? 500. Plus n by 2 is 50. Minus CF, 36 plus x. But here we are having minus sign. So they both will be having negative. They both will be negative. 36 minus x. And F is 20. And what about H? H is equals to 100. For making the calculation more easy, what you have to do, you directly subtract from here. Because this is not having any denominator. So minus 500 is equals to 20 ones are 25 are. 50 minus 36 is 14 minus x into 5. 525 minus 500, 25 is equal to 14 minus x. This multiply by 5, then now it is divided by 5. So 5 5s are 25. So we are having 14 minus x is equal to 5. Just shift x this side and 5 that side. Means we have to solve the equation. So what is the value of x? It is 9. Put in equation number 1. Put in equation number 1. When you will put in equation number 1, how will you solve? X plus y is equal to 24. X is equal to 9. It is 24. This 9 will be subtracted from there. So y is equal to 24 minus 9. When you will subtract it, it will turn to 15. So our answer is 15. Clear, students? So we are having the values x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 15. Clear, class? Let me tell you one more thing about the same question. when the median is given, we will use the formula of median. When the median is given, median class will be taken from that the given value. As the given value is 525, so the median class will be 500 to 600. And students, this portion till that I have done, this will remain same in mean also and in mode also, because till this step what I have done, I just have added all the frequencies and my answer turned to 76 plus x plus y. Now I have written sigma Fi is equals to 100 given in the question, but our sigma Fi is 76 plus x plus y, that is equals to 100. So from here we can calculate one equation in x and y, and maybe we can also get one equation from x and y from this formula also. Then both the equation can be solved by putting the values or by substitution method at that time. Clear class? So whenever the missing value you have to calculate, how will you solve the question? By finding the median class from the given value only. So just listen me carefully for today's homework. Today's homework will be same, find the missing frequencies. I will give 5 to 6 questions of the same type, and this type is very important according to the exam point of view. Clear class? So you have to complete the find the missing frequencies when the median is given. Thank you.